we're at another hotel on our road trip. And this time we're in Moab at the Homewood Suites by Hilton. And we were impressed with how spacious it is here.
It really does look like a home.
Yeah, it does. Kuma, you know, it's all wood floors. There is some rug in the middle there by the couch, but Kuma really likes carpet, so she's a little bit disappointed. That's my dog. But, you know, I like the wood floors. The wood floors feel really good on my feet.
Me too, and I feel like it can actually be cleaned better compared to carpet. Sometimes when I step on carpet, I'm like, in my bare feet, I feel like it's gross, and I want slippers. Yeah. Anyways, we are here. We got our room keys. We're in our room, and first off, I was like, oh my gosh, there's a kitchen. There's a big fridge. But we're gonna get to all that in a second.
So when we checked in, right now the pandemic is going on, so it's a different process, and they don't do any, what do they call it, like housekeeping?
Buffet? Yeah, oh sorry.
Yeah. They don't do any housekeeping, and they don't do the buffets. So one, if you want extra things like if you want extra things like personal care, bathroom linen, beverage service, they just have you fill out this ticket and you have to give it to them before 10 a.m. To get it in your room. And so two is the buffet. They don't provide buffets right now because of the pandemic, so they provide to-go breakfasts. And which I had at Homewood Suites before in Houston, and they give you like a breakfast sandwich, a granola bar, yogurt, fruit. Those are basically the things that they give you. And they also give you like coffee and juice. As we mentioned, this room is huge. Now it starts with the kitchen back here, and we even get a dishwasher. A dishwasher, that's amazing. And in the cupboards, you'll get some plates and there's a microwave thing. You get a big microwave. This is like a full-size This is bigger than my apartment microwave. This is the little stove you get here. So if you want to cook, you know, at your hotel and save some money, you can definitely do that. And the drawer has some dishwash cloths. They have a knife and spoons, but no fork apparently. Down below are some pots and pans. And there's also a toaster in there. Oh, wow. A lot more dishes in here. Cause I was like, this is really weird that they only provide like 2 plates. But yeah, all the dishes are in the dishwasher.
But we have to put them away?
I'm not putting them away. But yeah, so lots of glasses, there's spoons, you know, another pan, plates. Oh yeah, lots of plates and bowls, forks and spoons. Somebody did some home cooking. And then up here there is a coffee maker, and they provide, let's see, coffee bean, tea leaf rainforest blend decaffeinated, and rainforest blend regular. They also have tea for candy. There's chamomile. Oh, lots of chamomile for you. English breakfast. So chamomile and English breakfast. Another big surprise was this full-size fridge that we get. So up here is a full-size freezer. Right? This, again, seems like the same size as my fridge at my apartment.
It's actually bigger than mine.
It's bigger than Candy's fridge at her apartment. And down here, again, full size. We could even fit our cooler in there without taking anything out. I love having a dining table because at our last hotel, we had one tiny square dining table and one chair. So we couldn't even eat together. We had to trade to eat if we wanted to sit down and eat. Now we have 2 chairs and a big dining room table, so we can eat together if we're gonna eat, you know, if we have takeout food or if we're gonna cook at home. So here is another coffee table like thing, but it's kind of like Ottoman-like. And you can use it as a luggage rack too, that's what we usually do. But I might also use it as a ladder for Kuma so she can get up to the bed. I haven't had problems yet, but she has jumped off a bed before on her own, and she's tiny, so I don't want her tiny legs to get hurt when she hits her legs on the floor. So I try to give her a little bit of support. But anyway, maybe some support for her, or maybe a luggage rack. Also another little table here for if you want to eat and have your dinner or lunch. Yep, Kuma wants to use it already. She's like, is this for me? Is this my stepping ladder? Get up, can I get up here? You can get up, you can get up, you can get up, get up. Yeah, girl, you did it. convenient as a luggage rack, but this is cute. And then here is a 2-seater couch. I'm not sure if this turns into a bed or not. It does. So this is a sofa bed. So you can fit like 2, 4, like 5 people in here.
So this is the TV. It's wall mounted, which is great because it gives space up here. I actually don't like it when TVs in hotels have a stand because we tend to use this area for a lot of things and then it gets like mixed up with other things. I feel like I'm gonna forget something. So I just like a clean slate. So I love it when they mount TVs. It's just like a little pet peeve of mine. I don't like TV stands. Nice dresser. I don't know if we're gonna use it since we're gonna be here for 2 nights, but you know, it's nice to have. Maybe we'll put Kuma's treats in here. Nice beds. They feel comfy. So hopefully I'll get a better night's rest tonight. I didn't sleep too well last night in the other hotel, so hopefully I'll get a better night's rest here. And what I love about hotels that think about technology, they know that we are going to be charging our phones at night, so they give us 1 each. Actually, they give us 2 outlets and then a USB port in the middle. So that's awesome. I always need those USB ports, and Crystal needs the outlets. And then what I like is the full-length mirror. The last place we stayed at didn't have one. I was like, Crystal and I like full-length mirrors. You know, just because you want to see how you look before you walk out the door from head to toe. It feels nice when like the room is so airy and there's a fan. I love the fan up here. It's rare to get a fan in the hotel room, but they do really make it like you're at home, and a lot of homes have fans, so that's really nice. I like that fan. Moving on to the bathroom, I like that immediately you can just walk in. It's like an open space. You don't have to go in this little corner and then open the doors to the bathroom. It's all like open. And check it out, they got the mirror with the lights all around it, so we won't have any issues doing makeup. We can see everything. Nice counter space. It's a little bit small compared to some of the places we've stayed at, but I still think there's plenty of room for both of us to put our stuff. These are fake, so, oh no, this one's real. There's a blow dryer, extra toilet paper, which that's nice. Plenty of towels, amenities are from Neutrogena, and yay, every time we go somewhere, they only give you 1 makeup remover, and I'm like, why? These are huge rooms. There's gonna probably be more than 1 female. They're gonna be fighting over this. So yeah, I really appreciate that you thought about, you know, rooms that have more than 1 female because we like this stuff. So I might actually order more of these like on the little cart thing. But yeah, you know, lotion, conditioner, shampoo, soap for the shower. And the bathroom is spacious. I actually really like this shower. Oh good, I was like, I hope it's not a rain shower. I don't like the rain showers. It's like a normal shower head, so that's nice. And then there's another towel in here as well. This might be for the floor though. Oh no, this one's for the floor. Okay, there's another extra towel there. The closet is also in the bathroom, and it's got an ironing board, extra blankets, and the suitcase rack. And then we have all of our stuff in here. I feel like this is already gonna be relaxing.
All right, well that was the room tour of Homewood Suites by Hilton in Moab. We're gonna probably relax here for tonight and probably try to find something to eat around here. It's like a little town with lots of little restaurants.
Thank goodness, because I am hungry.
Yeah. And then we can eat in our little cute dining table.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow we'll probably wake up super early to go check Arches National Park because it's right by this hotel. Just checked out of Homewood Suites in Moab, and we really love this place. Kuma really loved the room because, again, it's a pet-friendly hotel we're staying at. I know she loves it when she starts playing with her toys.
I really liked that there was a full functioning kitchen with a dishwasher, huge refrigerator, 2 stovetops, even a toaster. Because we were literally like, right next to the parking lot is a small grocery store. They also have organic products if you're into organic stuff. But I bought some bagels and butter and saved like money on breakfast and dinner by doing that.
They do have a laundry facility there there, which we were thinking about using, but we like to hang dry our clothes, so we wouldn't have. By the time we realized there was a laundry facility,
it was
too late. So, but just to let you know, they do have, you have to pay for it. It's like, felt like it was like $1 to $1.50 for the washer, and $2 to $2.50 for the dryer. They were all different prices for whatever reason. And they had some like laundry detergent up there. I think other visitors that were at that hotel left it for others. And they also do have a little business center. It's by the elevators, and an inside or indoor pool, which I did see people using last night. There was actually a lot more people in there, and it looked really nice.
Overall, I think I would give this one 4.5.
4.5? Wow.
Yeah. I think I really love the kitchen.
Yeah.
Like in the space. Like you just feel more relaxed.
Yeah, no, I agree. I would give it 4.5 stars too. The location was great. Not only is it in the middle of downtown Moab where you're able to walk to everything, but the Arches National Park is only 10 minutes away, which we did while we were there. So location is great. The service was awesome. The room was very spacious. It was excellent. Had lots of amenities in there. So yeah, it's a great hotel to stay at in Moab. I hope you like this review. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Bye.